So this is Wednesday. We have almost 9 inches of snow. Look at this. Look at my girl. I just don't think you can grasp how thick this is. Almost 9 inches. Look at this. It is really cold. Okay, Lovie, so today I thought for our little... Oh, my heat turned off just in time so I didn't have to hear that hiss. I thought it'd be really cute to show you something, just something quick and simple that I was working on. Thought it would be cute to use with washi, because I went in my washi container to pick out some washi to put in my little bucket to put beside my desk because I work on my December daily, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have so much washi, and that little container isn't even half of it. So what you see in front of you is my wonky design that I made. I like to draw, but it doesn't mean I'm the best at it. You know, doesn't mean I'm like fantabulous. But I drew this little mock. Okay, I paused for the video for a second because I couldn't find my fussy cutting scissors. Scissors, not sitters. So I drew my own sweater. I'm not claiming to be a wonderful artist. I do my best. My forte is little critters. I love to draw little critters, which I think will make an appearance in this video. Yeah, so this is my little template. So what I thought would be really, really cute is to make ugly Christmas sweaters using all of the different, I don't know about you guys, but I have 1,000,001 washi. So I thought it'd be really cute to make ugly Christmas sweaters. And what I thought I could do is make a couple homemade Christmas cards, not only because in our last live, on Facebook, we decided to do like a Christmas card exchange. So me being me, I want to make homemade Christmas cards. So I thought it'd be really cute to make some ugly sweater Christmas cards. I want to send one to my grandma. And then also I just thought it'd be fun if you just had a couple of these made to use in your December daily or any of your December journaling. They'd be great little ephemera to put beside something. So this little sweater is my template. I have some just white plain paper, and what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to draw a few, maybe 4 of them out, and we're going to put some washi down on them. So I'm going to do that real quick, not on camera because that's so boring, and I'll be right back. Okay, I drew 3. Listen, if you have a sweater template, you know, go for it. You have a cricket or a silhouette or something like that, and you got a nice die, you're ahead of the game. I drew one. This is the best it's going to be, but I think it's going to still turn out super cute because you're not really going to see the lines and stuff. It's just an outline so we know what to put in. So I'm just going to pick like random washi out of my little bucket, all different sizes. I have so much more of this. I probably should go grab some more, but I have so much washi. It's unbelievable. The amount of washi that I have, I can't believe I have so much Christmas washi. It's insane. But I'll just use a few of these for now, just to keep it very simple. But I'm just going to literally lay random washi down. And I feel like the more random it is, the uglier it'll be. Because they're supposed to be ugly Christmas sweaters, right? I have ugly Christmas sweaters on the brain to begin with because of me drawing my Sasquatches, which I think you guys already seen in another video, which by the way, I should just put it out there really quick. If you're still interested in Sammy the Sasquatch, or if you want Squashes and Sweater, which is Sammy's family, all in ugly Christmas sweaters, both printables are only $1. So I thought I would just throw it out there real quick. So, and I guess the real secret to this is to put the washi down straight, which I think we're pretty good. Actually, I like this kind of above. And I think this is going to be really cute. Like, I really do. I think this, in my head, this works. I'm definitely one of those type of people who think things and then you just got to do it because you're just like, oh, I wonder if it'll really work. So we're just going to do it. And then I even thought another really cute thing to do too is, who else doesn't have 1,000,001 stickers, right? Not only do we have 1,000,001 washi, but we also have a ton of stickers. At least I know I do. I don't want to speak for everybody, but I know I do. I have tons of Christmas washi. I have tons of Christmas stickers. So I was even thinking about, well, maybe it'd be really cute to like put a Christmas sticker smack dab in the center of it as well. Make it a little bit more ugly. I have no idea if I'm laying these straight or not. None. Because I can't, the way my camera's angled, I keep it flat for you guys. But for me, it's a little hard to see. But I think this is going to turn out cute. And then we can cut some paper down. We can cut some paper down. Ooh. Might have to put this kind of where it needs to go, because I really can't see that. So here is a little tip. Try to use clear washi. See how we can see the outline of the sweater? These washi make it a little hard. So learning as we go. Learning as we go. Learning as we go. How about some words? Let's see if we can't get a word in there. Where does this start? So we'll do one and cut it out and see what it looks like. I don't have to do all 3 of these on film for you guys. I think you totally get the gist. And maybe you guys will be better at drawing if you don't have a template. If you do have a template, man, you're ahead of the game. But if you don't have a template, I mean, it's not super hard to draw a sweater. It just may not look super realistic, but it's something, right? Okay, maybe we'll add a little gold, the little gold strip at the tip here for the shoulders. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's cut it out. I'm excited. I'm excited actually to see what it looks like. To see if this kind of works. I think it'll look alright. And I think it'd be adorable to make like a Christmas card. But, in the journaling, this will be adorable for like a ephemera, or let's say you actually do like an ugly Christmas sweater party or something like that. You can make a whole bunch of your own ephemera to put in with all of your photos for your December daily, or if you're doing memory keeping, or however you want to do that. And I think this would be cool too for other things, like if you have a template for a Christmas tree, this would be cute if you had a template for a Christmas tree, or a stocking, like a template for a stocking. That would be really cute, like a ugly stocking, then you can use your washi. It's like, I'm just like, ideas to use. The amount of washi that I have is like, wow. Let me see if I can't find out where. I think it's right there. Yeah. I just was shocked at the amount of washi I had when I went to pull some out. I was like, wow, I think I'm a borderline washi. I'm a borderline washi addict. Hoarder. I'm a hoarder. My husband would probably agree. Sometimes when I go to stores and stuff and I look at washi and he's like, how many pieces of colorful tape do you need? That's what he calls them. Colorful tape. Alrighty. It's like, it's not colorful tape. Ooh. that bad. What do you guys think? And you're definitely using up your washi. I mean, my sweater might, you know, be a little better off if it was like a real template and it looked maybe more like a sweater. But for something that I drew, I don't think it's too bad. I was thinking about a Christmas tree, but I was like, man, I don't know if I can draw a Christmas tree. So I have some pieces of paper sitting right here. What I was thinking was, I don't want to make this super, super long, but like, let's say this was your card. You know, this was your card here. You're going to fold your, this is a little short for a card, but let's just say this is your card. You know, this could be your cover. You know, that'd be so cute. And like I said, if you have lots of Christmas stickers, which I totally have. Let me see if I have any right here. And then you can totally bling these out too. And you would also be really cute. Like say, like we have like that colorful background in the background there. So like as I'm sitting here, I'm playing with all my stuff. So there might be some portions of this that I fast forward so that it doesn't get too long. But let's say this is your card. You could put a little doily down. You could put the little ugly sweater on top. If you have bling, which I have a ton of bling from the Dollar Tree, you know, Dollar Tree, like bling. You could put some bling on here. Like, it's an ugly Christmas sweater. You can make this as ugly as you want. That would be the fun part. Let me see. What kind of colors do I got going on here? Anything that really matches? No, but it is an ugly Christmas sweater. These just seem to be a little big. But like, you know, like if you wanted to put pearls up at the collar or a big heart in the center or like, I think like the possibilities to this are endless because it's yours. You can do whatever you want to this. You know, these just, my colors just don't go. It's as simple as that. My colors just don't go. Because I really don't have any Christmas colors pulled out here. But anyways, not to keep going on and on and on and on and on. I think you guys get the gist. So you guys can make a really cute card with this. You can make a really cute, you know, really cute, I totally lost my train of thought because I'm not concentrating. Or a really cute, like, die cuts and ephemera for your December dailies or picture keeping, memory keeping, whatever. I already mentioned all of that, but I think you guys got the idea. So I'm not going to do a whole bunch on camera because I do want to use these for Christmas cards that I'm going to send to you guys, the people who view this. So I don't want to show you too many. So then you know, then it's not a surprise when you get yours in the mail. But I thought that was fun. And I thought I would just stick it in today. And I just thought it'd be fun for just a quick little idea to be able to do for our journaling portion of Vlogmas.